What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So right now I'm actually about to leave and go to the dealership. I have to pick up some oil for my car. It's been like 4,500 miles. That's the longest I've gone without an oil change. And after that, I'm gonna film some point of view video footage on a GoPro and see how you guys like that. And that'll be the main part of the videos. So I'll see you guys at the dealership. Dude, the brakes on these things are so big though. What the freak? That's insane. So clean. One day. It's got like the blue lighting everywhere.
You can even
look how big this display is.
You can even change the lighting to if you want.
X3M40. Dude, I can't get over how big the display, the iDrive is. Alright guys, so I just got back home from the dealership and I got the oil. I usually use a full synthetic 0W40 European formula, but I decided to try start using this BMW. This one's 5W30. But it is BMW spec, and I just got a way better deal on this kind of oil, and I don't know, we'll try this out, see how it is. Should be fine. One of my friends has a 335i and he said it runs perfect, so I'm probably going to start using this kind of oil. And what I like is it comes with the OEM BMW oil filter, so no problems with those, guaranteed. But yeah, I got the car over the oil pit and it's really hot out here. It's like 95. Wish me luck. I'm not gonna film the whole process of me changing oil. I'll probably just do like a time lapse since you guys probably have seen enough of that. Alright guys, just finished the oil change, cleaned up a little bit. Now I'm just waiting for this to load. See if we need to add a little more oil. I left, I think it says to put 6.5 liters. I left a little bit, like half a bottle, just, you know, just in case I need it sometimes, because you know, BMWs leak oil all the time, so gotta have some spare. Alright guys, so finally loaded. It is on max, so we are good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this GoPro on. You guys, please let me know in the comments if you guys like these type of videos so I can start making more. I've gotten a bunch of comments and DMs and other videos to make some of these, so I'm gonna give it a try. surrounded by woods, so everything just echoes. Is gonna be a photo shoot location. I came here sometimes. I really like it. It's like super deep into the woods. It's a park, but it has some pretty cool spots. right, that is it for the GoPro footage. Thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate all of you guys. As always, comment your thoughts on the video down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.